absolute configuration, RS configurations. R means rectors clockwise. S means sinister anti-clockwise. It proposed by the configuration Ingold and Prelog. It based on same sequence rules is known as CIP rules. CIP rules give the priority order from four different group attached to the asymmetric carbon based on atomic number directly attached to the atom. Asymmetric carbon atom, కైరల్ కార్బన్ ఆటం. ఒక కార్బన్ చుట్టూ 4 వేరు వేరు గ్రూపులు ఇవ్వబడితే దాన్ని అకైరల్ కార్బన్ అంటారు, కైరాల్ కార్బన్. ఆ కైరాల్ కార్బన్కు 4 బంధించబడి ఉన్న గ్రూపులకు పరమాణు సంఖ్య ఆధారంగా నెంబరింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఐసోటోప్స్ ప్రయారిటీ ఆర్డర్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ అటమిక్ వెయిట్. ఐసోటోప్ల విషయంలో పరమాణు భారం ఆధారంగా ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వాలి. In case of first atom of the both groups are same, priority decided by the atomic number of the second atom. Same priority order decided by the atomic number of second atom. In case of first atom, both groups are same. In case of first atom, both groups are same priority. Same priority means, for example, just we have to take the here lactic acid here CH. Here H is there, here H is there. In this situation we have to giving the, for example, here, one second, just here CO HO, here CO groups is there. In the first same, in case of first atom, both groups are same priority. Here same carbon same priority. In this situation we have to take the second atom atomic number. That is the this point meaning. Okay, simply you have to remember, first atom same, you go to the second atom, give the priority. If it is also same priority order decided by the third atom, it is second atom also same, you will go to the third atom. So already we know very well, that is the, in the priorities of first, second, third groups are attached to the chiral carbon in the right direction, clockwise direction, rectors treated as a R configuration. ప్రాధాన్యత క్రమం 1, 2, 3 గ్రూప్స్ అనేటివి కైరాల్ కార్బన్కు కుడివైపు కనుక తిరిగినట్లయితే దానిని కుడివైపు కానీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో తిరిగితే దాన్ని ఆర్ విన్యాసంగా గుర్తించాలి. ప్రయారిటీ గ్రూప్స్ అనేటివి ఎడమ సైడు తిరిగిన యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ తిరిగిన దాన్ని ఎస్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్గా consider చేయాలి. But in the case of here, but the atoms are group of the lowest priority in the position in the Fisher projection formula, the above configuration are converted into S and S converted into R. The most important here, what is the, but atoms are groups of the lowest priority in the lowest priority group on horizontal position. Here that point you have to remember, here blocking, that is horizontal position. Here horizontal position you have to remember. Here horizontal position in the Fisher projection formula, the above configuration R converted into S and S converted into R. What does it mean? 4వ ప్రాధాన్యత కలిగిన గ్రూప్ కనుక ఫిషర్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఫార్ములాలో అడ్డగీత పైన ఉంటేనంటే మనకు వచ్చినటువంటి నిర్మాణంలో ఆర్ విన్యాసం ఎస్ విన్యాసంగా, ఎస్ విన్యాసం ఆర్ విన్యాసంగా మారుతుంది. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 4th and 5th పాయింట్ ఆధారంగా A1 B2 C3 here direction, this direction. In previous manner, what is the clockwise direction? R configuration. Here anti-clockwise means S configuration. Here 1, 2, 3 here. This is the exception case. 6th point. The 4th priority group in horizontal line in Fisher projection formula, the clockwise configuration converted in previous manner, that is the R. But 4th priority group in horizontal row in horizontal line Fisher projection formula, the configuration must be changes. R converted into S configuration. Here also same 1, 2, 3 here. But here 4th priority group in the horizontal line Fisher projection formula, anti-clockwise as previous manner of according to our rule. What is the anti-clockwise? S configuration. But the fourth priority group lies on the horizontal position in Fisher projection formula. That configuration must be changes. S converted into R. ఇక్కడ అధిక ప్రాధాన్యత 4వ ప్రాధాన్యత గ్రూపు ఫిషర్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ఫార్ములాలో అడ్డగీత పైన ఉంటేనంటే ఆర్ విన్యాసం ఎస్ విన్యాసంగా, ఎస్ విన్యాసం ఆర్ విన్యాసంగా గుర్తించాలి. ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే చూడండి, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ lactic acid is there. Here first atoms you have to take. Here oxygen atom, here carbon, hydrogen, here also carbon. Here one, here also same, here also same. But second atom, go for the second atom. Here hydrogen, here oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is the more, so second priority here giving. Here third priority here. So this direction. Fourth priority group and lies on the vertical line. So no problem, as it is considered as a previous manner. Clockwise R configuration. Here first atom O, here second atom C, here benzene ring C6, here also ERC. But here after C6H6 configuration, this is the phenyl group, here O. So that's why in this group here we are going to giving the after carbon atom second group is the oxygen, so second priority. Here hydrogen, here carbon, so third priority. Here in this direction, which one? That is the fourth group lies on the vertical plane, there is no problem. So which direction is there? Anti-clockwise we are taking the S configuration. Here also same, first carbon, here one this is the first priority, second priority, and third here first second here this is the configuration, first second third in this direction. But here in this means anti-clockwise horizontal line in this way. So that's why configuration anti-clockwise here, this is not same way here. But this molecule you have to removal. We take the another examples. Lactic acid, alanine also there here. Alanine we have to see here, COOH, NH2, H and CH3. First here CNHH, CC we have CN we have to N first priority. Here second we have to here or here just to C same. Second hydrogen, oxygen we have to giving. Third and fourth priority group lies on the horizontal in Fisher projection formula. Configuration must be changes. Here 1 to here in this direction, R direction as well, but fourth group that considered as a S configuration. So that point you have to remember, most important. So here also another example we have to observation here. Iodine first, after bromine, and 3 here in this direction, the fourth vertical line, there is no problem, R configuration here. So same, just you have to see, observe, do practice here. R is configuration. Anyhow to giving examination point of view, all points you can write down, 2-3 examples you have to write down, that is enough.